Hey there, I'm Angela Cruz, certified personal trainer, health coach, and the go-to expert helping you incorporate quick, effective workouts into your busy routine that you can do anytime, anywhere, with or without any equipment. FYI, no equipment today. But there are no excuses. I believe in you, you can do this, and you deserve to feel good about yourself. So, what we're gonna do today is a tabletop plank, and a plank, tabletop plank, exercise targets every major muscle group, including the core, which again, you have that strong core, that strong foundation, everything else comes together. And we're also going to take another step, targeting the triceps, behind the arms here. And this is a problematic area for most of the population and also the least utilized muscles in the upper portion of the arm. Whereas the biceps, the front of the arms here, most utilized, everyday activity, or picking things up or pushing, tend to be in motion. So with that said, you want to keep your knees about hip width apart, up onto your toes. Come over into that tabletop position, belly button spine. Keeping your neck neutral, your spine neutral, so you're looking down, you're not looking up, you're not hyperextending in any form. And then you want to keep your shoulders, elbows, wrists aligned, extended. And on the count of 3, all I'm going to do here is slightly lift my knees up. 1, 2, 3. Right there. So I'm not bringing my hips up anything, just slightly off the ground, maybe about an inch or so. Oh yeah, really starting to feel that burn right now. And remember to breathe, because see, during exercise or resistance type training, we tend to want to hold our breath, because holding our breath adds to stabilization. So breathe here. Now those triceps. All I'm going to do is slightly just pulse, drive my elbows back and up. Oh yeah. Whew. Feel that burn. And you want to take it one step further, literally one step further. For coordination, just kicking your feet back. Squeeze those glutes, keep that core engaged. Breathe if I haven't said it enough times, and pulse. One more each side. All right, I'm gonna sit back in a child's pose, stretch it out, reach, up into a cobra. Oh yeah. And then back. All right, so again, that really engages the entire body. It's quick, simple. Simple does not mean easy. It's simple, but it's challenging. Challenging is we get those results. It's where you grow. It's where you really, boost your confidence. So incorporate that into your routine. Let me know how you do. If you're interested in more exercises, fitness, wellness tips, just subscribe below and I will be in touch soon. You take care of yourself, be happy, stay healthy, most of all, stay strong.